Castor oil has long been used as a remedy for hair loss and thinning hair. It promotes hair growth by making your hair thicker and stronger. Castor oil also moisturizes dry hair, tams frizz, and manages tangles. It sounds almost like an all-in-one remedy for all your hair problems. Okay, so let us dive straight into how to prepare and use castor oil for hair growth. Castor oil is very thick, so you have to dilute with another good hair oil, and your options are many. You can choose from argan, avocado, coconut, jojoba, or sweet almond to dilute castor oil. We will take coconut oil today for the dilution process because it is easily available at any grocery shop. Other oils may require a bit of searching for the stores that keep them. Mix equal quantities of castor oil and coconut oil in a small glass bottle of 100 milliliters capacity. Castor smells bad, so you may consider adding essential oils to mask the smell. Add a few drops of any essential oil of your choice that are also good for your scalp. Tea tree, peppermint, rosemary, lavender, lemongrass, and cedarwood essential oils are good for hair. Put the lid on the bottle and close it tightly. Shake the bottle a few times to mix all ingredients well. You will need to warm up the diluted castor oil before using it on your scalp. Take a bowl of hot water and dip your castor oil jar in the hot water for about 5 minutes. The glass bottle will also become hot, so pour about 2 tablespoons of oil in a small bowl. Apply the warm diluted castor oil with your fingers on the entire scalp. Don't apply too much. Massage your scalp for about 5 minutes. Also apply the oil on your hair strands. If you wear an old shirt or put a towel on your shoulder to safeguard your clothes from any drip that can fall on your clothes. Then pile your hair on top of your head and cover them with a shower cap or a towel. Wait for at least 30 minutes before washing them out. Longer waits produce better results. Wash it off with water and conditioner. Skip the shampoo for the castor oil to be more effective. Do it every alternate day. Your hair will stop falling and new hair will begin to grow slowly. Within a month you will begin to see the hair growth. Continue using castor oil for at least next 6 months. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.